Is your electrical panel maintenance up to standard? Discover how a systematic approach ensures safety and reliability. Learn to prevent costly failures through comprehensive inspections. Start with a thorough exterior assessment of the panel. Look for physical damage or impact signs. Ensure the panel is clean and dry. Verify the security of doors and locks. For the interior, check for moisture, corrosion, and proper labeling. Tighten all electrical connections and verify torque settings. Ensure breakers and fuses are the correct type and rating. Manually operate breakers to check their movement. Document any signs of wear or damage. Take photos for detailed documentation. Measure voltage and current at each breaker. Compare readings with design specifications. Perform insulation resistance testing with a megometer. Test all ground fault and arc fault circuit interrupters. Ensure they operate correctly for safety protection. Verify grounding and bonding connections meet code requirements. Ensure proper clearances and accessibility around the panel. Use appropriate personal protective equipment. Follow lockout and tagout procedures before starting. Only qualified personnel should perform maintenance tasks. Document all findings and corrective actions. Update panel schedules and diagrams as needed. Report major issues immediately. Schedule follow-up inspections if necessary. Regularly review and update the checklist. Through systematic inspections, ensure your electrical panel's safety and reliability, prevent costly failures with thorough maintenance, embrace digital tools for enhanced efficiency and record keeping.